Ill Mind. Tell them about represent nigga.
Yo, it's Ill Mind So Wavy Dillard in this bitch. That's Film Squad Up OG right here.
Alright. Hold that. Oh, you know who I am. You know who I am. True Skills. Can you see me?
I can see you.
Word. I got my Wendy's shirt on.
Y'all already know.
You already know. I was just playing. But look, nigga, we about to hit that hold me back. But I got that cat. You feel me?
Fuck with it.
Oh, put that right there. Ah.
Yeah.
You want me to kill it up?
Squat. Go get 'em.
These niggas know I got that gat. 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 Step to me, you be on your back. 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 I got my damn niggas. You know we be rolling. Okay, we be floating. Yes, it's something that you notice. Yeah, I got a blood on it. Yes, I say show me my opponent when I get up on it. I'ma tell you right now, you will phone it. Fuck y'all niggas hating, but y'all are phony like baloney. Yes, you know you wearing cologne, and then you know that you be lonely. That's okay. These niggas can't hold me back. True Skills, and I got that gat. Yes, talent is what you lack. I know you can't hear me, but now a nigga don't. But you know I'm in my zone. And I'm sipping on Patron, then I'm going to smoke the drone. Yes, you know I take the show. Yes, you know I am Doug. Y'all niggas off the crow. I know that you gon' like it. Yes, you know I got my wifey. Yes, you know we are fighting. I'm lying. I'm not scared of no pussy nigga. But you know I can't read that trigger. These niggas won't hold me back. But you know I got that damn gat. These niggas know I got that 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 gat. Step to me, you be on your back. Step to me, you be on your back. Step to me, you be on your back. Ill Mind, nigga.
These niggas can't hold me back. These niggas know I tote that strap. These niggas talk about that cake. These niggas know I'm go find that. Talk about Ill Mind, he blank. Talk about Ill Mind, he lame. Niggas know I throw them flames. Call that gang bang, okay. These niggas can't hold me back. These niggas gonna tote that strap. These niggas know I'm on them tracks. I'm back up on the fucking map. Put me at the top notch. No one at the hot spot. Call me Ill Mind, he's the king, something you're not. These niggas won't hold me back. These niggas tryna fuck with that. Nigga, you can't fuck with that. Cause you know you'll get that strap. Yeah, that's my old lady. We smoking on that wavy. I call it MOG, cake up, spill baby. You need some lotion. Call that shit Johnson Johnson, slipping on Patron, drinking liquor. That's what I'm be on it. King's bitch, I'm kingdom and shit. The top spot, I'm living it.
These niggas can't hold me back. Yes, you know that I got that cat. Yes, you know talk what you lack. Yeah, these niggas out there all wet. Step to me to be on your back. Look at my pants, I gotta say. Got some money in my pockets. With these niggas, I gotta brag. Yes, you know that I got this shit. Yes, you know that I empty clips. Coming through when I'm making hits. Yes, you know that I bust your hips. True Skills, I got the knife. Yes, you know that I chop her down. I don't really give a damn what you think, cause you already know that I run this town. Spin slugs where the fuck I'm at. Come and get it if you got crack. I don't give a fuck about that shit, but you already know weeds where it's at. I know that you like weed. True Skills, get it on your knees. Yes, you know that you begging, please. Real name is Tyrese. Yes, you know that I'm gone. Gotta say this shit loud. Yes, you know, dog, where the fuck is my house? Oh, it's under my couch. No, it's all up in my mind like this freestyle. Nigga has to kill that shit up every time. Cause these niggas know I got that gat. 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 Ill Mind's gon' kill it, man. Yes, you know that I'm coming in, and yes, you know what the fuck is going down.
Sit back, relax, and know that keep them choppers. I call that shit Bianca, yeah, you call that shit Hot Lava. I call it never stopping me. I call that shit Young Stopper. Damn, we cut off.
You already know the deal. True Skills, nigga. Ill Mind. My nigga. We killing it, dog. We got another one coming. Don't worry.